Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of RGB LEDs with Arduino Uno on Tinkercad. We'll be creating a simple project to display a variety of colors using an RGB LED. So, let's jump right in. For this project, you'll need an Arduino Uno, an RGB LED, 3220 ohm resistors, and jumper wires. If you don't have the physical components, don't worry. We'll be simulating this project using Tinkercad. Now, let's understand the code. We'll be using the to control our RGB LED. Then, copy and paste the code into your Arduino IDE. Walk through the code sections. We control RGB LED using set color instruction. Instead, the other both instruction analog and digital write. Which more simpler? Please take a screenshot for this photo in order to display all colors. Now, it's time to see our project in action. Run the simulation on Tinkercad, and you'll witness the RGB LED displaying a beautiful array of colors. Feel free to modify the code and experiment with different color combinations. If you encounter any problems, check your wiring connections and ensure that the code is uploaded correctly. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments section, and we'll do our best to assist you. And there you have it, a fantastic RGB LED color display project using Arduino Uno and Tinkercad. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy tinkering!